In this video we are going to learn how to remove the hard drive of your laptop. In case we face any hard drive crash, or any other reason. In a laptop, you can find the hard drive area on back side of your laptop. You may find icon of a hard drive on back side of your laptop, from where you can remove the hard disk. This is the hard disk area. Now open these screws using screwdriver, to remove the cover. In any case, do not apply any force on laptop screws, generally they are not so tight. Now we have opened this. This is the hard disk of your laptop, and it is the connection area of hard drive. Now open these screws. Keep these screws on a safe place. Give a little push from the connection side, to remove the hard disk. We have removed hard disk successfully. Thanks for visiting.